Here's a pair of the Sony headphones. This is the M6 model. I'm going to show you how to put it in pairing mode and how to connect to one device and then how to connect to two devices at the same time, which is called a multi-point connection. So we're first going to connect to my Samsung Galaxy S25, and then after we connect here, we're going to connect to my iPhone 16e, okay? So first thing is, let me go to the power button here. Let me turn these on and make sure that they're in pairing mode, okay? I'm going to press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Now I'll know that it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking blue, 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 like it's doing right now. Okay, so it's in pairing mode. With the Android phone, you may get this pop-up right there. If you get that little pop-up, you can connect right there. If not, no biggie. You can just go to settings. And then from settings, on this phone, you click connections and then click on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on, and that little spinning thing there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode that is near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. It's still in the pairing mode. It did find the M6 right there. Let's tap on that. With the Android phone, you get a pairing request. Let's tap on pair, and voila, we're connected, ready to go. Okay, now let's go ahead and put this Samsung Galaxy S25 down. Now let's say we want to go ahead and connect to my iPhone 16e, or maybe you want to connect to your computer, or maybe to your TV now. Okay, so let me just turn these off now. Hold it for a few seconds, and now it's off. Okay, now when I turn these on, it's not going to go in the pairing mode automatically. Okay, the reason why is because remember, we're paired to this phone over here. So let me press and hold that power button. Let me just turn it on, and you can see I turn it on. It blinks blue a bunch of times, and then it turns off. I didn't get the blue, 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 blue. That's because, again, it's connected to this phone. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Let me turn it off first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Now it's off. Now I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. I'm going to press with the headphones off. Now I'm going to press and hold that power button and keep holding until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Or if you have it on, you'll hear it say pairing, okay? So they're off now. Press and hold, power button. Ready? Go. Press and hold. Holding, wait. 1, 2, blue, 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 blue. Now we can connect to another device. So let's go to my iPhone here. We're going to go to the settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then scroll down a little bit. Now, that little spinning thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, they're still in the pairing mode. Where's it at? Come on. Okay, let me just turn off Bluetooth and let me turn it back on now. Let's turn it back on. And let's see if we can find it. Come on. There it goes. Okay, it took a little while, but it finally showed up. So let's go ahead and tap on that. With the iPhone, you don't get a pairing request, it automatically connects. So there you go. So now we're connected. Now if I watch a YouTube video or listen to music, audio is going to come out of here. All right. Now if I turn that phone off and I go back to my Samsung phone here and I bring up audio, music, or YouTube, now it's going to go to these headphones as well. So that's called a multi-point connection. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.